The GoPro Hero 4K is a pocket-sized powerhouse that packs a serious punch. Despite its diminutive size, this camera is capable of capturing stunning 4K footage at 30 frames per second. It's a dream come true for adrenaline junkies and outdoor enthusiasts who want to capture their adventures in breathtaking detail. Key features: 4K video, record crystal clear 4K video at 30 FPS for smooth, cinematic footage. 1080p video, capture full HD video at up to 120 FPS for slow motion effects. 12MP still photos, take high-resolution photos for stunning stills. Touchscreen, the intuitive touchscreen makes it easy to navigate settings and frame your shots. Voice control, control your GoPro hands-free with simple voice commands. Waterproof, the camera is waterproof up to 10 meters, so you can take it underwater without a case. Performance, the GoPro Hero 4K delivers exceptional image quality. The colors are vibrant, the details are sharp, and the stabilization is impressive. The camera's small size and lightweight design make it easy to mount on helmets, bikes, or other gear. The battery life is decent, but it can be short if you're shooting a lot of 4K video. Verdict: the GoPro Hero 4K is a fantastic camera for anyone who wants to capture their adventures in stunning detail. It's small, durable, and easy to use. If you're looking for a high-quality action camera that can keep up with your active lifestyle, the Hero 4K is definitely worth considering.
Got a feeling in my shoulder.